What is the most perfect concealed carry setup? Let's cut to the chase. The Glock 26 with a Streamlight TLR-6 light and laser combo with a full-size 17 or 18 round spare magazine is going to be your perfect concealed carry. Because of its extremely short handle, the Glock 26 is easier and more comfortable to conceal than even the smaller guns like the Glock 43X and the SIG 365X. In comparison, the Glock 19 is a much bigger gun with only a few more rounds of ammo than the Glock 26. For long distance shooting, the Glock 19 may have a slight advantage, but realistically, if you are carrying for self-defense, the likelihood of engaging an assailant past the 15-yard line is highly unlikely. Of course, there are extreme exceptions, like the church shooting where a security volunteer named Jack Wilson shot and killed a shotgun shooter who had just killed 2 victims at over 15 yards. Mr. Jack Wilson used a SIG P229-357 SIG. As a former shooting and homicide detective, I have investigated many non-fatal and fatal shootings. One thing most of these cases have in common is there are a lot of shell casings on the ground to indicate that both parties resorted to spray and pray shooting. In a real situation, most people do not take the time to aim or even use basic shooting fundamentals. They usually point and shoot, and when being shot back at, typically both parties involved are moving to avoid being a still target. This complicates the ability to take aim and make deliberate shots. In such situations where taking your time to aim becomes problematic, a laser is easier to use than iron sights or red dot optics, because you do not have to raise the gun to your eye level to take aim. You simply point your gun like a flashlight, place the laser dot on the target, and fire. It is also easier to keep the laser on your target even if you are and your target is moving. Ammo capacity is a huge concern for the Glock 26, only 11 rounds. As I mentioned, a typical real situation where two parties are shooting at each other, large amounts of casings were found on the ground to indicate spray and pray shooting. Regardless of training, when the shooter and the target is moving, a lot of misses are going to happen. Therefore, to make up the lack of ammo capacity on the Glock 26, carrying a full-size mag that holds 17 or 18 rounds will greatly boost your capacity to full-size handgun level. The Glock 26 is superior to the Glock 19 and the Glock 43 and other subcompact handguns in that it is more concealable due to the shorter handle profile. All three are accurate and reliable guns, but only the Glock 26 can use the magazines of other 9mm full-size Glocks. The Glock 19 nor any other Glocks can use the Glock 26 magazine. And let's also consider the fact that the Glock is the most used handgun in the world by professionals and civilians. Therefore, carrying a Glock 26 makes all the sense in the world, where if you do happen to run out of ammunition and you must borrow or scavenge ammunition, likelihood of the fact that you will be able to find a Glock magazine full of ammo to aid you is more likely to happen than if you were to carry any other type of handgun. So if you have a Glock 26 and you want to set it up the way I have it set up here, please check out the affiliate links down below to purchase the Streamlight laser combo and the holster and magazine holder. Be aware that Glock is no longer manufacturing the Glock 26. So if you intend to purchase one, don't sleep on it. Move fast, because pretty soon they're not going to be available unless you purchase one through the secondary market. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and tell me what you think the perfect concealed carry is to you. Have a great day.